If you would like to schedule a private tour, please call the Rita Hall team at 912-510-4426. Freshly painted and move-in ready. 4-bedroom beauty, split floor plan with vaulted ceilings, wood grain tile floors in living and dining area. The spacious kitchen features a movable island with granite worktop and built-in seating with storage in the bay window area. The owner's bedroom has a vaulted ceiling, walk-in closet and barn door that leads to a private bath with garden tub/shower combo. Other features include 2 closets in the 4th bedroom, interior laundry room with shelving, carpet only in bedrooms, 5-year new architectural shingle roof, 4-year-old HVAC, covered front porch, pergola covered back patio, shed for lawn equipment, privacy fenced backyard with gate, separately fenced doggy area and garden area, water filtration system.